got almond croissant. Hi guys, good morning vlog. Yeah, we're here in the famous mall now.
Having a birthday.
Yeah. Hello, magandang umaga. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Ang ganda ng paintings. Ngayon footbridge lang kami. Ita-try namin yung footbridge kung paano kami makakalusot doon hanggang sa train. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh, wow. Yeah. Now, ito yung napakagandang footbridge talaga.
The bridge looks so good.
Yes.
That's so good.
It is our first time to
No, it's your second time.
no, like we're going straight from where we find the MTR. Let's see.
No, it's your
We are taking...
my first time, not your
Okay.
first time. Been here before.
No, I haven't. I've been here, but it's only this part. I didn't go like from here until the last, you know? So like this is connected siya lahat. Connect sa MTR. Pero ito medyo malayo yung lalakarin namin kasi kukonek kami dun sa may... Yeah, it's look like the hotel. It's so fancy. Grabe. Why? Is there any smell for the hotel?
Yeah.
Look at the outside one.
Wow.
Wow.
This is definitely like a hotel.
So nice. Ang ganda niya.
Wait. I think it.
Look at that. Wow, it's very amazing. Grabe.
Look, I think look at the thing. It goes down.
Yeah, it's going down the other side of the buildings. Now we go in the other side too. Let's see
I want to try.
where we're going. But we go straight from here going to the train MTR. Ang ganda niya. Oh.
Wow, Auntie, look.
去帕克，跟住搭翻呢個。
This looks like.
Well, let's find out. I hope that we know where we're going, Samantha.
Yeah, I hope you know where you are going.
Because
You don't want to get lost.
it says there is a
I'm gonna get suffered if we got lost.
remember that? Oh, is this one? I think it's different one. Let's go this way. What?
Fun.
Yeah, I already didn't know that. See? Wow. What a beautiful buildings.
Ah, look, Auntie.
Very clean.
Ah,
Let's find out where we're going.
I want to go there again.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's so big.
it's so big.
It smells so good.
Yes.
Look at the cleaning.
It's so
That's
fancy. It's so nice. It's so cool. Where is that going? It's look like hotel.
yeah.
Oh man. I think, oh man, no, it's correct. It's in the other side. Naligaw-ligaw na kami. Naligaw-ligaw na kami. Samantha, I hope we can find it because it says like there's a mall going there. So yeah.
I don't even know where we're going.
We're lost. I think we're not lost. We're lost. Yan, ito pa yung susubaybay namin. Pero sobrang ganda niya. We're lost. Can someone help us? We're lost. It says Dorset House. Like we don't need to go to if we walk here, like yeah, Samantha,
This is a hotel.
it's look like hotel.
It's a hotel.
So fancy. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda. Wow. This is our first time. Samantha, this is really our first time. Yeah, it is our first time to pass off here. So, ang ganda-ganda niya, grabe. Sobrang ganda. So now we're going straight to the train. Oh, ang swerte naman nilang nakatira dito. Yung parang Samantha, there's a Pret. What's that?
Can I get something from Starbucks?
That's not Starbucks.
Can I get something from Pret?
Well, she wants to get something. What do you want to get?
Almond, chocolate, butter. Which one do you think?
But we're having lunch, Moy.
Please. Please, can I?
Okay. And now she gets the, what did you get?
Almond croissant.
Almond croissant because she's hungry, kind of super duper hungry.
It's called hangry. I'm hangry for hangry.
You're hungry for the angry?
Yeah, I'm hungry and angry.
Oh man, I don't want that. Why are you angry for the hungry? Oh, wow, so amazing. Samantha, I really want to. Oh, the train is here now, Moy. It's easy. Easy peasy. Oh, now we're here on this side. Oh, diba? Ang galing natin, Samantha. Wow. Look at this.
Look at the road.
Look at this, man. This is our first time. First time namin ginawa to ni Samantha. Wow, ang ganda. And then there's a McDonald's.
Annie, look at that.
Which one?
The staircase.
Suitcase?
No, the staircase. We're gonna like.
Oh yeah, staircase.
Show.
And now the train is over there. Wow, Samantha, you did a good job. Wow, I can't believe it. We did it. Now we're going down and then
And we're
wow,
going out and then we're gonna go
it's
to the
pretty amazing.
And we're gonna go back to
Oh, kamusta naman? Nagpapayong na siya dito sa loob. Sakot sa lagot siya mga chain. Si ating mom. Wow! We did it! We did it! Wow! Good job! See, doon kami nang galing sa kabila. Yan. Tapos, lumusot kami dito. Ang galing, diba? Dati hindi ko pa alam yun na, oh, try kayo natin na mag footbridge tayo. Connect talaga dun sa may ano. Ang ganda. Super social. It's look like a hotel. Now, ayan na yung train, MTR. Ayan, mag-MTR na kami. Papunta kung saan kami. Lulusot. I think your bread is not allowed in the train. Ayan. On the train.
Let's go on the train. Let me off the train.
Okay, go. Here. Yeah, medyo mahaba-haba pa yung nilakad namin kasi malayo. Ito yung ayaw ko minsan pag nagte-train ako kasi malayo ngayon nilalakad namin. Ayan. So, pababa na tayo. Hindi ako nag-taxi kasi yan. O, diba? Walang katao-tao. You can bite. You can have some bite now.
Yeah, it's that one way, right?
Yeah. So, nagugutom siya. Ayan. Be careful with your... Wait, well, you don't need to take out in the thing because your hand, I don't know. I already cleaned it before, but you rub everywhere. Ayan. Where are we going? Where is that? What is that? Oh, Kennedy Town is here. Oh, and this one is Kennedy Town. Oh, we missed already. Bye-bye train. We missed already. My gosh. We missed the train. Ayan. So, diba? Walang katao-tao. Kami lang. Hi.
May I watch your phone?
I left already to watch earlier. I think no.
Wait.
But why you're making happy of that like? No. You can read the books, okay?
I don't wanna read.
No, Moy, stop it.
Books are boring.
Boring.
Books are still boring.
Okay. I already buy you the breads now. Diba? Colgate, guys. And dito na kami, mag-exit na kami. Ang ganda. Ang ganda eh. Ayan guys, mag-exit na kami. Natapos na din ang aming journey ni Samantha sa train. So eto, mag-exit na kami. Ayan, thank you for watching. Samantha, watch out how you're gonna do it. No, other way. Ayan. Magaling na siya. Ayan, so nag-exit na kami. So, lalabas na kami ngayon. Aakit na kami. So, diba? Ang galing lang magbiyahe dito. Sobrang easy. Easy peasy. Basta lang may cellphone na kasama. Ayan. O, diba? Bless you. Tahimik ang buhay. Ayan, may Minecraft. What are you watching, Samantha?
I'm watching my King Teacher.
Ha?
I'm watching my King Teacher. This is Mad.
Ayan. Basta may ganyan. Tahimik ang mundo namin. So, ayan. Dito na kami sa another another ulit. So, ayan. Guys, tatawid tayo. Tatawid muna tayo. Malayo din. Actually, malayo yung pinuntahan namin. Kaya lang dahil very convenient ang lahat. Dito kahit saan ka mang sulok, mabilis lang. Napakabilis mo magbiyahe. Walang unsexy naman ang babae. Nakita nyo ba? Ayan. Dito yung mga iba't ibang, alam mo na, access sa lahat. Train, taxi, bus, basta lahat. Go. Ayan. Tahimik ang mundo ng Samantha pag may ganyan. Pag mo na lang siyang abalahin. Ayan. Ayan, nakikita ko ulit si McDonald's. O, diba? Ang dami. Medyo mainit. Nakamahagip ka dyan. Parang nakakasawa na din yung wala naman akong nagugustuhan kasi dyan. So, ayan. Red, green light. Ayan guys. McDonald's. Ayan, ang daming dumplings. Kung gusto mo ng dumplings, ayan. Dito kami pupunta at mag-Living Plaza by Ayan. Muna tayo. Meron din kay TV Mall. Ayan. Yan, kakain kami muna dito ng Samantha. Ayan na yung inaantay namin.
Hi, Samantha. Hi. How are you?
Tahimik ang mundo, nag-vlog ako ng welcome to my vlog. Makainis naman. Dapat nagkuha ka lang ng number mo. Ay, sus. Ayan, kakain kami dito. Paano ba to? 3. Saan? 3. Dapat nagkuha ka na lang ng number mo agad-agad. Ayan, B8 pa kami. 3. Yeah. Thank you. Ayan, kakain muna kami. After nga namin nag-train, eto, nagutom kami, nagots kami. Kumain kami. Look who's here. Hi. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, sa kata. Ayan, nakain na kami.
Ready, get it, Hobby. Hi guys.
Don't do your face in the thing. Kasi baka hold it. Ayun na nga guys, after namin kumain at tinrap muna namin si Samantha doon sa kanyang Chinese lesson para gumawa ng mga homework. Ayun, at saka eto, maglalakad-lakad muna kami.
Sa
Ayan.
Incon ka yung hotel na yun. Sa Incon na. Kailan sa Gapon ko lang sa Incon.
Ayan guys, mag-iikot-ikot muna kami at hanggang sa muli po. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to hit the likes at mag-subscribe po kayo. At huwag kalimutan ang bell po para updated po tayo lagi. Ayan, manifesting po tayo sa 100k. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time.